Welcome to Surni Labs. Our plant is located near Vadodara in the state of Gujarat, India. It was commissioned in the year 2011. We manufacture finest quality liquid hemodialysis concentrate, dry citrate hemodialysis concentrate, and disinfectants. Solar power plant of capacity 50 kilowatts has been conceived so as to be self-sufficient for the power requirement and fully support the government initiative to maximize the use of renewable energy. Reverse osmosis reject water and other process effluent is successfully utilized for landscaping development and gardening within the factory premises. Manufacturing facilities are compliant to GMP standards. The facility is ISO 9001 and ISO 13485 accredited. Export of the products complying with international pharmacopoeias is routinely done in everyday life. All the raw materials are tested as per IP, EP, USP standards. Product quality is also strictly checked and certified for sale and export. The Surni Labs product range has more than 25 formulations of liquid concentrate in 3 different dilution ratios, 7 formulations of dry citrate hemodialysis concentrates, and a range of disinfectants for dialysis. We also manufacture hemodialysis bicarbonate cartridge and hemodialysis bicarbonate bag. Moreover, we customize formulations as per client requirements. We have a dedicated team and vehicle for delivery of approved finished products directly